welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm trying to make this video a bit more interesting for you. I know the previous videos was pretty much just to walk around the car, but hopefully we can get some footage today of this car being put through its paces pretty much. So yeah, we've ended up in the countryside somewhere. The roads are quite interesting. So yeah, I won't be doing much talking today. Just a lot of little videos of the M135i in probably its best habitat. So enjoy, guys. Oh yes. Sound is coming through, because that sounds absolutely amazing in here. Honestly, this car goes like the wind. It's ridiculously fast. It's unbelievable. The pickup is unreal in this car, honestly. And honestly speaking, for a 2-litre turbocharged, I'm really happy with the sound. I know the M140i, the 3-litre 6-cylinder engine, was probably the best sounding in the 1 Series range, but this is not too bad. I can assure you of that. It's not too bad at all. I got asked to comment on my previous YouTube video if I've been running in the vehicle. To be really honest with you, no, I haven't. It's ridiculously hard to be so patient to actually run this vehicle in. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't have that willpower. This car is just constantly tempting you to be putting it through its paces is unbelievable. And so is the scenery. I hope that's coming up through that window there. Unbelievable scenery here. In this car, you're very quickly breaking the speed limit. I've got to be very, very careful here. Unbelievable. Something that I wanted to mention was the X-Drive in this car. Honestly, absolutely amazing. The handling on this is unbelievable. I mean, I just went through those country roads pretty fast and it took it so easily. Not for a moment did I feel like the car was gonna fall off the cliff or anything. It's really planted and feels really, really secure. It gives you that extra confidence to actually put it through its paces. And that's just brilliant, really. I don't think you could have done that in the previous M135i. That would have been quite a scary but thrilling experience for sure. But this, it gives you the confidence to rally it through the country hills, and it's just fantastic. It just performs and performs and performs. So yeah, I mean, that X-Drive, the four-wheel drive on this car, is just sublime. I'm a big fan of it. So yeah guys, that's all for today. Let me know what you thought of the video. If it was a bit rattly, I do apologize. I mean, I am using very basic equipment. Literally, I'm using my iPhone and a phone mount holder, so I do apologize if the quality wasn't great and if it was very rattly. We'll be looking into getting some more appropriate equipment, but do just bear with me, guys. So yeah guys, I mean, this video has been more of a blast through the hills kind of a video, just trying to give you a bit of an idea of how this car sounds and performs and handles. I hope it was captured well enough for you guys to understand this, because from where I'm sitting it's pretty amazing. So yeah, I mean, please do feel free to comment and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. More than happy to create that content for you. But for now, that's all. Thank you very much for your time. Take care.